how to create Ansari exchange account. Now, first of all, download the Ansari app. So go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Ansari exchange. Download and install the official app on your phone. Now open the app and select register. So on the app, tap on register or create account. This will start the account creation process. Now enter your personal info details. Now fill in your full name, mobile number and email address, and make sure information matches your Emirates ID to avoid verification issues. Now complete KYC verification. Upload a clear photo of your Emirates ID and take a selfie. These steps verifies your identity and is required by UAE law. Now set a secure password. So create a strong password for your account. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe, of course. Now after that, accept terms and submit. So read the terms and conditions carefully and check the box to accept. Tap submit to complete your account registration. Finally, confirmation and login. So you will receive a confirmation message on your email or phone. Use a credential to log in and start using your Ansari exchange account. And this is how to create an Ansari exchange account. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.